I made a horror game called Sussy Schoolgrounds, and people have made some very strange ripoffs of it. To find out if any of these copies are actually any good, I asked my friend to search the internet for the weirdest Sussy Schoolgrounds games he can find, with each one getting crazier and crazier. Will these games be a complete joke, or am I seriously about to lose my job to someone who stole my game? This is the list that my friend created for me, guys. Whatever is on this next slide is gonna be the least crazy game we see today. Let's do it. Please don't play this stuff. Please report this. Do not download this. Anyway, let's download it and check it out. Sussy Schoolground. This is actually an original game. It doesn't have an S. So, it says it's called Wall Breaker. Something tells me I'm not going to enjoy this one. Looks like you have to time it and get through the middle. Okay, it has absolutely nothing to do with my game. Okay, so far so good. I don't know how to do this part. What? This game is a metaphor for Polly's other games. They never get anywhere, just like the protagonist in this game. I'll show you all. Oh, it's the arrow keys. Okay, it's time to defeat this game once and for all. Wait, it's not tilting. Wait. That was a great game, guys. I really enjoyed it, but I think it's time to move on to the next one. I am begging that the next game is even just slightly better than this one. We'll see what happens. Why is there another minion? I'm so confused. This is a Roblox link. I'm absolutely terrified for whatever's gonna show up on the other end of this link. Sussy Schoolground Easter update. Okay. Is this supposed to be Sussy Wussy? Let's just see what happens. Whoa, there's other people in this game. Epic Cool Guy 60. Oh god. Okay. Bye, Sussy Bunny. It's not the Easter Bunny I remember as a child. Alright, let's get the Easter eggs. Can I climb this? Oh, whoa! If you die, you just get kicked from the game. That's really stupid, actually. Back to Sussy Schoolground Easter update. What is this? What the flip? Who are you? It's Epic Cool Guy again. The map is actually pretty fire. I mean, this person is probably a better 3D modeler than me, and they wasted their talents on a Roblox recreation of a joke game made in 1 hour. But you do you. I won't judge. Ow, I see. Sussy Bunny is stuck. This is our chance to win. Sussy Bunny is stuck. Where are the eggs? Oh, here's one. We got 1 egg. Bro, is it just me or is Sussy Bunny kind of cute? I mean, I'm just saying, guys. Where are the eggs? Did like this dude collect all the eggs or something? I'm so confused. I'll ask him. Where are the eggs? I collected some. All right, we can find. Oh! At least there's not a jump scare. I've never been more thankful for a game to not have a jump scare. Oh, the eggs are back. Oh, wait, that might mean Sussy Bunny is gonna chase me again. Is he chasing me? Okay, Sussy Bunny. You can stay right here, Sussy Bunny. Is there a way to win? It's the glow stick? Wait, but Sussy Bunny's in here. This really is a ripoff. Here. Okay, how do you win? I knocked off the door. This game is a metaphor for Polly's life. He will never win anything. He will be sad and depressed forever in Roblox and in real life. I think I know what we have to do. The only escape from this endless pain and suffering is the sweet release of the void. Anyway, pretty good game. Awesome work. I was a fan of that. It wasn't even that much of a ripoff. Definitely felt more like a fan-inspired game. Literally millions, billions of times better than the first game. Just could not figure out how to win. All right, with that game out the way, my spirits are up, my hopes are high. Let's see what is next. I swear, why does every slide have a minion on it? Please don't tell me it's another mobile game. No, they completely ripped off the character. Guys, do not download this game. This is literally a ripoff. Just scroll down, flag the game, and report it for theft. Sussy horror game. Let's just get this one over with. What? Okay, all things considered, this song is kind of fire. Sussy? Wussy? Sussy? Wussy? Sussy? Sussy! Sussy Wussy! Sussy Wussy wants a snap! Okay, maybe we should just start the game now. This looks creepy. Well, I'm a little scared. Okay. This is kind of cool. Okay, what? Who is this guy and what is he doing under my table? So we need a key to get out of the room. Maybe in the drawer. Oh, I'm a genius. We find the key. Here, let's unlock this thing. We've made it out of our bedroom. Why do I hear footsteps when I'm not walking? Need a board to repair the floor. What is down there? Where's the board? I'm not going down there. That's for sure. I'm definitely not going down there. Wait, what does this door lead to? Was that supposed to be Sussy Wussy? I'm very confused. I don't know what's going on whatsoever. This game is a metaphor for Polly's very existence. He is in constant confusion of his life, purpose, and why his games are so bad. Just like this game, he will never find out because just like in the game, he will give up just short of the finish line. Bluey Gooey's done for. I'm not taking that. Do you think I'm gonna sit here and take that? Who do you think I am? Oh, he's coming, he's coming. What the heck? That's terrifying. Does this mean we are free to leave? Let's just go. I hear him. I may have changed the game settings to make myself invincible, but it's just a minor, guys. It's just a minor thing. See, we're friends now. I just kind of rizzed him up, you know. How do you win? Okay, I think we can beat it. I think we can beat it. I need a crowbar to get into the vents. Where do I find a crowbar is the question. All right, I think we're getting somewhere. Break the walls without the white paints. Are you serious? Wait, in the garage? We're figuring things out, guys. Oh, here. This is what I need the. Oh, I need the hammer for that. Okay, wait. Here it is. No way. The crowbar. Now we use the crowbar to go. Whoa. This is a real vent. A car tire. All right, we can repair the car now. There's more car wheels. Are you serious right now? The tire. Okay, we have a tire. I want to get the tire to repair the car. I need petrol. I know where that is. Car keys. First, you asked me for car tires. After that, you had the audacity to ask me to find petrol. And I did it. I decided to help you out. But after all of that work, you go so far and ask me to get your car keys. That is where I draw the line. We do not need to actually beat this game because we can use our imaginations to create the ending for this game. Just watch. The screen will then turn black and then it'll say you win. That's it, guys. We're done. We beat it. First of all, this game not only had absolutely nothing to do with Sussy Schoolgrounds, it also just took away 2 hours of my life, and I will forever hate it for that. Screw this game forever. I hate this game. I'm so done. I'm gonna pray for the next game to be good. Okay. Why is there keeping minions? I swear. It looks like we have another Roblox game. Whoa, okay, wait. This game actually has a modeled Sussy Wussy. This game actually looks good. This game is a completely copy of Sussy Schoolgrounds. At least he's honest about it. All right, let's see what it is.
Sussy wants a snack.
Okay, good start. Sussy Schoolgrounds. Very authentic recreation so far. I like it. Whoa, this looks sick. Wait, Epic Cool Guy is back. Epic Cool Guy. Oh god, this is Sussy Wussy. He's terrifying. This is so sick. The graphics are actually good. Get all 7 bananas to open the door. This is just like Sussy Schoolgrounds, but it actually has better graphics, to be honest. And the jump scares is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I think I'm in love. Okay, let's beat this game. Cool Guy and Bijou Scrub Lord. Just distract Sussy Wussy. I'll get all the bananas. We got this. Oh gosh. Okay. I like how fast you can run. Bro, I feel like Sonic right now. All right, one final banana. Here it is. It's okay. We got this. Here. And then we grab the banana. Okay, we got it. And then we run to the school. This is it. Amazing game. Wait, before we move into the next game, I think we have to try out Sussy Schoolgrounds 2. What is this? Go down for chapter 1. All right, let's go. Okay, this is not quite Sussy Schoolgrounds. Is that supposed to be Sussy Wussy? This is apparently Sussy Wussy. I don't really see it, but okay. What do we do? Drive down the road to the school for chapter 2. I see. This is where the game begins. We just have to go down the road. All right, let's drive. Drive with me, cool guy. Yo, me and cool guy are going for a ride. No way. Okay, I'm going upstairs. Who is this? Oh, I might be a little dumb for that one. Dude, it's Red Sussy. Oh, it's Munkus Lunkus. I see. Amazing game. I am a huge fan of Sussy School Grounds 2. I think it's better than the original Sussy School Ground. Wait, is there actually another Roblox Sussy School Ground? I don't remember saying that. This is for your new Roblox cover art. Truly a masterpiece. I'm a fan. And with that, it is time to move on to the final game on our list. Let's check it out. Let's go to the next slide and see. The final game. I still don't understand why there's so many minions. If it's the best game, it's probably gonna have really good graphics. So it might be like another Unity game, maybe a mobile game. Let's check out the final craziest game so far, according to the list. All right, let's see. I won't lose hope yet. Maybe this game is a masterpiece. Scratch, there's lots of really good games made in Scratch. Let's see. Okay, one banana. Okay. Sussy Wussy looking kind of cool. He's like a cat now. Okay. I juked him out. I'm a bit of a gamer. 9 bananas. Final banana. Oh, you defeated Sussy Wussy. Is that the game? What we learned today is that even if you try to make an intentionally awful game, someone will always set the bar even lower. I'm going to go now and wash my eyes out with bleach.